This channel has 4.2 million views. It's 3 months old. It has 12 videos. No face, no camera, just stick figures. And that's not luck. One of these videos did 983,000 views. Another did 834,000. This is a real, proven, faceless niche that almost nobody is talking about yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build one just like it. The topics, the tools, the exact way these videos are made. And every single tool I show you is 100% free to start. Now, before I show you how this works, let me be clear about what you're walking away with today. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make a faceless history video exactly like the ones on that channel, start to finish, even if you've never made a video in your life, and even if you can't draw a straight line. And here's the part that makes this so easy. You're not going to build it all from scratch. You're going to copy a channel that already works and let AI do the heavy lifting. I'm going to show you 4 steps. Step 1, how to pick a proven channel and turn it into a simple reference file that becomes the blueprint for everything. Step 2, the one master prompt you paste into a free AI that builds your entire channel for you. The name, the branding, and a full script, one step at a time. Step 3, how to turn that script into the actual stick figure video using one free tool. And step 4, how to add the voice, put it together, and post it. Stick with me all the way to the end, because step 4 is where most beginners quit, and it's actually the easiest part once you see it. Let's get into it. All right, step 1. And this is where most people overthink it. They sit around trying to invent a brilliant idea. Don't. You copy what's already proven to work. Let me show you exactly how. Go to a channel that's already winning in this niche. I'll use the one from the start of the video. Click on their videos and sort by most popular. Right there, you're looking at a cheat sheet of ideas that already pulled hundreds of thousands of views. Now look at the pattern. What did ancient humans do when it rained all week? 977,000 views. Why are we the only human species left? 827,000 views. When did ancient humans start drinking alcohol? 759,000 views. See it? They're almost all a simple curiosity question about early humans. What did, how did, why are? That's your title formula handed to you. And notice, none of these are trends. Nobody's ever going to stop wondering how our ancestors lived. Pick topics like these and they keep pulling views for years, not weeks. That's the whole game. Build something evergreen. Here's the second thing you'll notice. Almost everyone else doing history on YouTube is making expensive cinematic documentaries with deep-voiced narrators. That's a crowded, exhausting game. The simple stick figure version you're about to learn, barely anyone's doing it. That's your open lane. So here's what you actually do. You build one simple document I call a reference file, and this is the secret weapon most beginners never use. You grab a few things from that proven channel and drop them into one file, 2 or 3 of their video scripts, their list of titles, their channel description, and a handful of screenshots of their thumbnails and their scenes. That's it. That one file becomes the blueprint. In the next step, you're going to hand it to an AI, and because it can see exactly what already works, the writing style, the hooks, the look, it copies that winning formula instead of guessing. So pick a proven channel, steal the curiosity question format, and build your reference file. Once you've got that file, you're ready for the part where the AI builds your entire channel for you. Okay, step 2, and this is the part that feels like magic. You've got your reference file. Now you're going to let AI build your entire channel around it. Open a free AI like Chat, GPT, or Claude. You're going to paste in one master prompt. I'll show you exactly what it says in a second. And then upload that reference file you just built. The prompt does one powerful thing first. It tells the AI to study everything in that file in depth. The hooks, the writing style, the pacing, the way the titles are written, the way the scenes look. So before it creates anything, it fully understands what already works. Then it builds your channel with you, one step at a time. And this order matters. First, it gives you channel name ideas. You pick one. Then a channel description. Then your hashtags. Then your branding, like logo and banner ideas you can generate. Then it hands you 10 viral title ideas in that proven format. You pick your favorite, and then it writes your full script, matched to the style of the reference scripts you gave it. Notice what just happened. You went from an empty screen to a named, branded channel with a complete, ready-to-record script. And you didn't write a single word yourself. You just guided it one step at a time. And look, I don't want you to have to build any of this from scratch. So if you want the exact reference file and the exact master prompt file I used in this video, they're both waiting for you, completely free, in my Telegram group. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Grab them and you can copy this whole process step for step. Once your script is done, you've got the hardest part of the entire channel finished. Next, I'll show you how to turn those words into the actual stick figure video using one free tool. All right, step 3. This is the part everyone thinks is hard, and it's actually the easiest. You don't draw, you don't animate. AI makes every scene for you. You just guide it. And this happens in 2 simple stages. Let me walk you through both slowly because once you see it, you'll realize how easy it really is. Stage 1. Turn your script into scene prompts. Go back to the same free AI you used for your script, Claude or Chat GPT. Now you paste in a second prompt, the scene prompt, and along with it, you give the AI 2 things: your finished script and those reference images from your reference file. Here's what that prompt tells the AI to do. First, study the reference images so it fully understands the art style, the stick figures, the colors, the plain background. Then take your entire script and break it down into scenes, roughly 1 image for every sentence or 2. And for every single scene, it writes you a detailed, ready-to-use image prompt that matches your script line by line. So in one go, the AI hands you a full numbered list: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, each with its own image prompt already written. You don't write any of them yourself, and don't worry about creating that prompt from scratch. It's sitting in the free prompt file in my Telegram group, ready to paste. Stage 2, generate the images. Now you take that list and go to your image tool, Google Flow. You copy the first scene prompt, paste it in, and generate the image. Then the second, then the third. You do them one at a time, scene by scene, until you've got a picture for every line of your script. Now, this is the one thing that separates a clean channel from a messy one, so pay attention. To keep your character looking identical in every scene, you use your reference images as the style guide each time you generate. Same stick figure, same look, every single scene. That consistency is what makes it look like a real professional channel instead of a random mess. Once you've generated every scene, you bring them to life, and you don't need fancy animation. A slow zoom or a gentle pan across each image is genuinely all this style needs. People are here for the story, not Hollywood, and that's your whole video build. A full set of consistent stick figure scenes, copied out one at a time without ever drawing a line. Next comes step 4, the voice and the final edit. This is where most beginners quit, and so let me show you why you won't. Okay, step 4. This is the step where most beginners quit, because from the outside, editing looks complicated. It's not. I'm going to slow all the way down here and walk you through every single piece so you finish this video knowing exactly what to click. There are 3 parts: the voice, the edit, and the posting. Let's take them one at a time. Part 1. The voiceover. Your video needs a narrator, and the good news is it's not going to be you. You're going to use a free AI voice. Open up Google AI Studio. It's free. You just log in with a Google account. Now, you don't paste your whole script in at once because these tools have a limit on how much text they'll read at a time. So, take your script and break it into a few chunks, a couple of paragraphs each. Paste in the first chunk, and before you generate it, pick your voice. Scroll through the options and choose one that sounds calm, warm, and human. A natural storytelling voice, the kind you'd actually want narrating a documentary. This matters more than you'd think. A warm, believable voice is a big part of why these channels feel trustworthy instead of robotic. Here's the key detail. Use that exact same voice for every chunk, so your narration sounds like one person the whole way through. Generate each chunk, download each piece of audio, and keep them in order. When you're done, you've got your full narration ready to drop into your editor. Part 2. Putting it together. Now you assemble the video. Open a free editor. CapCut is perfect, and it works on your phone or your computer. Start a new project. I know a blank timeline looks intimidating the first time, but it's really just 4 simple moves. Move 1. Import all your voiceover audio and drag it onto the timeline in order. This is your backbone. The voice runs the whole show and everything else gets built on top of it. Move 2. Import your stick figure scenes and lay them across the top of the voice in the same order as your script. The rule is simple. Whatever the narrator is talking about, that's the scene the viewer should be seeing. So you line up each picture with the exact moment its line is spoken. Just walk down the script, scene by scene, until every line has its matching image on screen. Move 3. Bring the scenes to life. Right now they're still pictures, so you add movement. In CapCut, you tap a clip and add a slow zoom in or a gentle pan across it. That tiny bit of motion is all this style needs to feel alive. You don't need real animation. Do that for each scene and the whole video suddenly feels smooth and professional. Move 4. The 2 finishing touches that make it look legit. First, turn on auto captions. CapCut transcribes your voice into subtitles automatically, and you style them big and bold. This is huge because most people watch with the sound off, and captions keep them watching. Second, add a soft piece of background music, and then, this part matters, turn its volume way down, low underneath the voice, so it adds mood without ever fighting the narration. That's the entire edit. Voice on the bottom, scenes on top matched to the words. a little motion on each, captions, quiet music. Now, before you do anything else, hit play and watch the whole thing back from the start. On screen, play the finished stick figure video back inside the editor. This is the moment it all comes together, and honestly, it's the most satisfying part of the whole process. You'll see your stick figure scenes moving in time with the narration, the captions popping up, the music sitting quietly underneath, and it suddenly looks like a real professional video that you made. Sit back and watch it the whole way through, and this isn't just for fun, it's your final check. As it plays, you're looking for anything that feels off, a scene that sits on screen too long, a picture that doesn't quite match what the narrator is saying, a caption that's mistimed. Anytime you spot something, pause, fix that one spot, and keep watching. When it plays back clean from start to finish and you're genuinely happy with it, that's when you export it in the highest quality and save it.
Imagine the sun disappears. Not forever, just for tonight. Within minutes, the temperature begins to fall. Every sound around you suddenly matters. Something moves in the bushes. You can't see it, you can't scare it away, and you definitely can't cook the food you've been carrying all day.
Part 3. Posting it the right way. You've got your video. Now you don't just dump it on YouTube. You post it so the algorithm can actually find it. And here's where that master prompt pays off one more time. Go back to your AI and ask it for 2 things: an SEO description for this specific video and a set of tags. It writes both for you, filled with the exact words people are searching for. Then you upload to YouTube, drop in your video, paste that description, add the tags, attach the thumbnail you generated earlier, and give it your title. Add it to a playlist if you've got one, and hit publish. And that is a complete, faceless, professional-looking video, from a blank screen all the way to live on YouTube, built entirely with free tools and AI doing the heavy lifting. Now look back at what you just did. You picked a proven idea, an AI wrote your script, an AI drew every scene, an AI voiced it, and you stitched it together in 4 moves. That's the whole thing. See why I told you step 4 was the easy part? Everyone quits right before this because it looks hard from the outside. But you just made an entire video most people never even start. So let's zoom out, because I want you to see what you actually have now. A few minutes ago, this was just a channel with big numbers that seemed impossible to copy. Now you know the whole system behind it. You pick a proven channel and build a simple reference file. You paste in one master prompt and let AI build your channel, the name, the branding, the script. You turn that script into stick figure scenes with a free tool. You add a voice, stitch it together, and post it. That's a complete faceless channel, start to finish, for free. And here's the part I promised I'd come back to: why this niche is worth your time over so many others. History and how humans lived content pulls a big audience from countries like the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. And when your viewers are in those countries, YouTube pays creators significantly more per view. So you're not just building something easy to make, you're building it in one of the highest paying lanes on the platform. That's a rare combination. Now, the fastest way to actually do this, instead of building every piece from scratch, is to use the exact files I used in this video. The reference file and the master prompt file are both waiting for you, completely free, in my Telegram group. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Go grab them, and you can follow this process step for step today. Here's my honest advice: don't overthink it and don't wait until it's perfect. Pick one topic, make one video. Your first one won't be your best. The people winning in this niche right now started exactly where you are 3 months ago. If this made the whole thing feel possible, do me one favor and subscribe, because the next videos are where I show you how to grow this into real, consistent income. But for now, you've got everything you need to make your first video. So go make it. I'll see you in the next one.